And a smile is an emotion, it's an attitude. To have gaps or misshaped teeth, discoloration, that distracts you from your beauty, that makes your face dull and not appealing. We can give you veneers, we can reshape your teeth to fit the perfect crowns, the perfect porcelain restorations. Porcelain restorations had proven to long last and also to give the beauty and the function the teeth had. I have to make sure that that smile will last you forever. And I have to look into beauty that will support functions. And when I create that smile for you, I kind of scan you from head to toe to give you the symmetry and build up again whatever that you have lost. As we are aging, we lose bone support, facial support, smile support. And once I am building up your teeth, I'm trying to build up everything in there to support my smile. Because the last thing that I want to give you is a perfect smile that will look like a denture. I want everything around that smile to support the beauty that I am going to bring in those teeth. The mouth plays an important appearance in the way how you look and in the aging process. The easiest way for you to look younger is to have a beautiful smile.